So, super quick video. We're staying at the Cinta Cottage Bungalows, which is just there. We've had a few meals here now. My house. The food here is absolutely delicious. So, I'm just gonna give you a quick look at what it looks like inside. They've got an indoor bit and an outdoor bit. So they've got a nice big outdoor bit there. Hello.
Hello, sir.
He's very nice. You got an oven for the pizza?
Yeah, yes, it is.
And they've got an indoor bit here as well. So if it's raining or you want a bit more private, you can go in here. And the food here is absolutely delicious. It's weird the way you do it. You get it on an app, and the menu is actually on the app. They do takeout, home deliveries. So yeah, if you want a really chill place to eat, we're just off about 5-minute walk from the beach. At the back, when it's not so raining as it is today. The whole area here. Sorry about the grease on the lens. Do apologise. You got a little shelter there, so if you're a smoker, you can come back to this part of the building, have yourself a cigarette, and you're not interrupting with anybody else. So, just a little walk around tour. Wanted to give this place a shout out because we've had a few meals there and really enjoyed it. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.